Hey guys, welcome back. How are y'all? So today we're gonna be flying. Well, I made another video today, but we're gonna be flying really old aircrafts. So like this Lockheed Martin P-38. We're gonna be flying the DC-10. What other ones? And maybe some new aircraft. But first, I want to start off with the P-38. All right, let's start this. Alright, so the last time I flew one of these planes, they were just not dated or anything. So this time I hope they will be, so it will make life a little easier to fly the airplane. But other than that, let's start. I also thought tomorrow for my airport review, I'd bring in some bigger aircrafts because today I didn't. Which I'm sorry about, but I really couldn't get those planes over the mountain. I could barely get a Cessna over the mountain, well, the hill. Oh, and yes, shout out to you, Flights for Fun, I think it's called. I saw you guys for the first time today. Really liked your channel, really like what you're doing. So yeah. Alright guys, let's first just do a quick inspection. Alright, that looks good. Alright, let's check the fuel. That will be enough. Alright, let's just make a quick little quick little easy thing. Alright, that's quick and easy enough, wouldn't you say? Alright, we got enough fuel. We got everything we need. Alright, let's start. Mixture full. Engine 1, start. Engine 2, start. And if you can hear it very well, guys, I turned down the volume. So because last video I watched it and you couldn't hear me very well. So that's why it's not on very high. So sorry. Alright, let's bring this aircraft on a little ride, shall we? So I really don't know what this aircraft was used for in the day, but if I had to guess, I would guess most likely just like spy aircrafts, and just for safety, a nuclear weapon, or well, two. But other than that, it's a really basic aircraft. I bet it was also part of the whole training thing. We might be going in an airplane sometime soon. I still need to get permission. When I do, I'll tell you guys, and we can do that. Alright, maybe I should have got ourselves a takeoff slot. 427. Alright, we're taxiing to runway 27. Alright. So we're taxiing fast, strong engines. Yeah, it looks like a nice aircraft. If you guys see other planes, I'm in multiplayer or the pro team. Alright. Alright, we're taxiing to runway 27. Alright. Why am I even making tower responses? Whoa, whoa. Alright, and we're taking off. Oh lord, these are like, alright, well, let's just keep that takeoff going, cause, like, this is a really old airplane. Oh, jeez, what is, like, thing is with this, like, I'm turning my throttle the slightest bit. Oh lord, that is strong. I don't know what this thing was used for, but whatever it was, must, had to make some short runways. Jeez, this thing's hard to, whoa. Alright, let's just, like, it doesn't even want to get up there. Sorry, I'm taking off. Not on the runway. This is, how much? Okay. If this plane that small with 2 engines can't get up with 120 knots, I'm sorry. Even in the 1930s, 40s, whenever this thing was built, that's crazy. That's also quite unacceptable. Alright, I don't even feel this thing safe bringing this thing over a lake, but we're gonna do it. Maybe I should see why it's off is because I want to make a quick walk around and stuff, so you guys don't have to sit there for all that. Alright. Well, this is a deal. Why did I even make it that long? Stupid me. Alright, we're just gonna turn around and head back for the airport. I mean, they're fast. I see that. There's nothing else about it that's cool. Like, it's pretty plain, so yeah, that's that. Oh, that was that. Alright, I've never flown that aircraft before, guys. That was weird. Right now, we're gonna go with the real fast airplane. Real fast aircraft. It's gonna be fun, guys. Because this one, I don't have to sit there forever for a taxi, and it's quick, so. Okay, it's coming on. Loading. For whatever reason, it's really slow today. We're just gonna do a quick fly over the airport. It's quick and easy. Alright, clear to pull. Whoa. See, I've really only flown, like, private aviation and Cessna, and, like, Boeings and Airbus and Embraers and Bombardier. Alright, so this is a nice plane. We were up there quickly. Totally not illegal, right? Yeah, I'm never flying that P-28 again. I wonder if Piper even copied them, because the Piper, well, no, because it's that one, never mind. Alright, we're going. fast. I've gone fast in I've flown this plane a few times. I don't really fly these much. But if you get up to I've got myself up into space, you can't get down because there's no gravity. But watch this. Little air show for you. Okay, that was a fun airplane. Alright, we're gonna fly one more. This is gonna be a big one. We're gonna try the CRJ. Because, the C-130, sorry. Hurricane. Let's try this one. Alright, this one looks like it's pretty. All of these warplanes, the old ones, are really basic. Because most of these guys who flew them had interest in aviation, but not war aviation, so that's why they were so basic and they all flew like Bonanzas and Cessna 120s and stuff. So that's that. Alright, it's taking forever to load, so we're just gonna end the video right here, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.